What's driving markets? Welcome to Market Take. Each week we'll bring you our insights on the latest market and economic trends that are impacting investments. I'm your host, Vivek Paul, Head of Portfolio Research at the BlackRock Investment Institute. This week I'm discussing our fourth quarter investment outlook. Markets are adjusting to the new, more volatile regime. The recent spike in 10-year Treasury yields and the sharp pullback in equities is evidence of that, in our view. As markets adjust, we find different yet abundant investment opportunities. To find them, we must first acknowledge that not all yield rises have the same investment implications. This year's yield spikes have been mostly as the market reprices its policy rate expectations. We think that is now largely done, but we expect the compensation investors demand for the risk of holding long-term bonds to rise further. That will push yields higher as markets price in factors such as persistent inflation and high debt loads. As a result, we stay underweight long-term bonds. We find opportunities in European and UK government bonds where more of this is in the price today. This term premium repricing, in and of itself, isn't necessarily an issue for equities. We stay underweight broad US and European equities in the short run as stocks don't fully reflect stagnant growth. We continue to find opportunities by harnessing megaforces such as artificial intelligence and diversifying geographically to regions such as Japan. Here's our market take. The macroeconomy may not be your friend, but opportunities are plentiful. Within fixed income, we like UK gilts and European bonds given major market repricing. We stick with short-term US Treasuries. Repricing largely reflects a view that policy rates will be structurally higher. Within equity, it's all about being selective. We see opportunities in artificial intelligence and Japan. For details, read our weekly market commentary. Go to www.blackrock.com/weekly-commentary. Thank you for tuning in. If you've enjoyed this episode, subscribe to Market Take wherever you get your podcasts.
This material is intended for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice, a recommendation, or an offer or solicitation to purchase or sell any securities, funds, or strategies to any person in any jurisdiction in which an offer, solicitation, purchase, or sale would be unlawful under the securities laws of such jurisdiction. The opinions expressed are as of the date of publication and are subject to change without notice. Reliance upon information in this material is at the sole discretion of the listener. Investing involves risks. BlackRock does and may seek to do business with companies covered in this podcast. As a result, listeners should be aware that the firm may have a conflict of interest that could affect the objectivity of this podcast. For more information, visit blackrock.com.